So what you can also do is you can go ahead and upload out images inside of DeepSeek. So to do that, if I were to click on this, let's say for example, this button right here, I can actually go ahead and upload out an attachment as an image. Let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and let's say for example, upload out this particular image right here, then you can see that it says it is allowed to extract text only from the images and files. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and type in what text are there in the image right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and send that out, then it'll analyze that particular image and then will give the relevant result. And then you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it extracted out the text like capture the moment, join YouTube's photography competition and YouTube as the text right there. So that is how you can go ahead and then upload out images and then extract text from images using DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.